This is the for sale video for my Craftsman DLT lawn tractor, Deluxe lawn tractor. It's a 16.5 horsepower, 46-inch cut automatic drive. It has the Kohler Command Pro engine, 16.5 horse overhead valve. It has the hydrostatic automatic transmission with the 46-inch cut, discharge along with mulch plug included. The unit is in pristine condition and was just given a full tune-up. Oil changed, spark plug, air filter, new fuel filter. The blades are almost new and freshly sharpened. The battery is less than a year old. Everything on the unit is immaculate. It has the electric automatic PTO blade engagement clutch. It has a 3.5 gallon fuel tank with fuel gauge, cup holder, hydro drive, deck height select, nice solid deck height, and then you use this knob to select at what height you want it, anywhere from 5 down to 1. Actually, it's anywhere from 6 down to 1 on the settings. It has a parking brake along with the automatic neutral stop. As you can see, deck is in pristine condition. The entire machine is in pristine condition. A few other things to go over. Let's see. Show the motor. This engine runs smooth and strong, which I'll demonstrate in just a moment. Good solid all metal hood, including the front. Nice bright headlights. Like I said, the machine runs very smooth and very strong. It's got plenty of power. It cuts beautifully. It's got the nice large 20 by 10/8 rear tires, which are the largest available on these machines for the best available traction. Your standard 15 by 6.6 on the fronts. Let's see, anything else to mention before I go ahead and start it? No, not really. Oh, okay. This right here is your transmission disengage. If you want to push it, you pull that lever out and put the pin into the further hole so you can push the machine manually. When you want the transmission engaged, you push this pin in all the way and then it's in drive. Variable speed, neutral, reverse, forward. Let's see, you got your amp meter up here, throttle with choke over here, the key, start, light switch and off position. Fuel shutoffs down here. At the end of the season, you can run the carburetor dry and the fuel system dry, so no fuel sits in the fuel system over the winter. And now I'll go ahead and start it up, give it a little test run, show how well it operates, and then it'll be for sale. All right, choke, foot's on the brake, key, sorry, I didn't need choke. Take it off choke. There we go. Low throttle. Full throttle. Now I'll go ahead and gauge the blades. As you can hear, it has plenty of power, runs smooth. Throttle it all the way down if you need to walk away from the machine. Blade headlights. As you can hear, it runs nice and smooth, plenty of power, cuts beautiful. Only reason it stuttered in the very beginning was I had already started it before, so it really didn't need choke. Plus my hands were full. I had one hand on the camera, so I only had one hand available to turn the key on and then bring the choke down. So I didn't really have enough time to bring the choke down quickly enough. So once I started without choke, started right up. Normally when you run it with two hands, if it's cold, you put it on choke, start it on choke, let it run on choke for about 3 seconds, maybe longer if it's colder. Once it warms up, take it off choke, and then there you are at full throttle. I'll bring it down one more time, turn the lights off. It runs nice and smooth. And like I said, the way this deck height adjust works is right now I have it set to go all the way down. But if you want it set, like to say, right here, then you just turn that knob until you're set there. You have infinite adjustments from all the way high to low. So that's nice to have. And like I said, when you put it in neutral, it stops the machine when you're on it driving, just like a brake. And you also have your emergency / parking brake as well. Between the two, you're set. This is a higher end Craftsman unit, the Deluxe lawn tractor. It was a larger machine that they offered, very well made. Very reliable, and it was well cared for, and it was just given a full tune-up, so it's 100% good to go. 46-inch cut, perfect for someone with a slightly larger lawn that wants to get it done quickly yet cut nice. It's got 3 blades, again, all 3 are sharpened, cuts beautifully. Very well made unit, and it will be listed this evening. Go ahead and turn it down. So thanks for watching, and if you're interested, just go ahead and give me a call, text, or email, and it'll be first come, first serve. Thank you.